Today I am going to show you how to make the Mother's Day flower arrangement. All you need is flowers, ribbon, floral foam, scissors, and wire. I recommend you to get small flowers with small petals. First, get a large tub of water and fill it up. Place the floral foam into the bowl and allow them to absorb the water. Do not place the foam under running water or push them beneath the water to speed up the absorption. Just leave it for about 2 minutes. Let's introduce the flowers that we will be using for this arrangement. The carnation is the perfect flower for Mother's Day. There are many colors such as white, pink, purple, and yellow. In Australia, where I live, we call it pixie or sims. Next one is chrysanthemum. Do you know why chrysanthemum is a Mother's Day flower? Is it because mums like chrysanthemum? In Australia, chrysanthemum are the most popular Mother's Day flowers, not only because the flower has the word mum in it, but also because it is abundantly available in May. Symbolically, chrysanthemums are associated with friendship and support from one's family. Some of the carnation you have might not be completely open, so you can open the petals gently, like this. You see it? Looks bigger than before. You will see the small bump on the stem. Please make sure to cut above the bump. You cut the stem about 2 to 3 centimeters from the seed pool. Let's see how to insert the stem into the floral foam. If you hold the top of the stem, there is a chance to break the stem. Please hold the bottom of the stem and deeply insert it about 3 to 5 centimeters. When you add the flower into the floral foam, but you want to take it out to change it, make sure you do not put it in the exact same hole. Put it in a different spot on the floral foam. As you see in the picture, insert the stem vertically in the middle of the heart and insert the stems diagonally around the outside of the heart. If you don't follow the steps, you won't have enough flowers to decorate the arrangement, so make sure to watch the steps. First, insert the flowers in 3 places to form the outer shape of the heart. The key to making a beautiful heart shape is to make sure the flowers are inside of the heart. You see, in this flower arrangement, the flowers are all placed symmetrically. The biggest chrysanthemum is going to go in the center of the floral foam. Now we can see the heart shape, but we are not finished yet. We are going to add the remaining flowers to fill the gap at the end. Place the flower diagonally and place the flowers straight in the center. Next, cut the wire and make a U-shaped pin. You can make a nice U-shaped pin by bending it with your finger, like this. Get your big purple ribbon and wrap the arrangement to hide the foam with it, like this. And use the pin to insert it in the floral foam. If the pin is too long, you can always cut it shorter, like this. This is how you should pin it in the ribbon. I will decorate the ribbon with another U-shaped pin that I made before. In this way, tie a string to the U pin to make a ribbon. If it's difficult for you to make it, ask an other or an older brother or sister to help you. This is how you put your ribbon on. See from the side, there is a part where the stem and floral foam are visible, so fill the gap with the remaining flowers. Now, from the side and front, you can't see the floral foam. Now we're finished! You can give it to your mum now. Don't forget to write a card with it. Have a happy Mother's Day! If the floral foam is dried, make sure you pour a little bit of water like this. Or you can spray it. What's the best thing about your mom?
My mom is kind.
I love you, Mom.
She is very understanding.
My mother is caring. My mom is a loving superhero.
Even though she has a small body, she has like the biggest heart. Many events have been cancelled, such as weddings and anniversaries, and people are isolating from the outside world due to the coronavirus pandemic. People are less likely to go buying flowers. Now, many flowers have been dumped in the landfill. It's just heartbreaking and devastating to see such a beautiful crop just going to waste. This is why I want to make the flower kit to deliver happiness. I also want to try to help the farmers by purchasing lots of flowers from them. I will be very happy if I could make their house a little brighter and smile for everyone.